Hi kids, today I'm going to teach you how to draw Peppa Pig. And these are the materials required to draw Peppa Pig. One pink sketch pen, light pink pencil color, dark pink pencil color, red sketch pen, red pencil color, black sketch pen, black pencil color, one ruler, one eraser and one pencil. Now let's start the drawing. First draw its face. Like this you have to draw first. And then from here, draw an oval shape for its nose. And then join this part with this part like this. Draw its nostrils. Then draw two circles for its eyes like this. And draw two dots inside the eyes. For its cheek, draw one more circle. And for the mouth, just draw like this. Smiley face. Draw its ears. Just give a curve like this. Do like this. And for the body, start from here and give a shape like this. And from here also do like this. Do this on both the sides and then join with one sleeping line. And for its hands, draw like this first and then one more line like this and draw its fingers like this. This side also do the same like this. Only 3 fingers you have to draw. And now for the legs, draw 2 straight lines. Draw like this, one big and one small. And from here, draw its shoes like this. For other leg also do the same. Draw like this. And for its tail, do like this. And start coloring the outlines first. First start with pink. Start from its face. Only these parts you have to color with pink sketch pen. Only the outlines. And for its dress, do with red. Like this. For shoes, with black. Now use the dark pink pencil color for the cheeks. And the nostrils. Use the light pink color to color its face, ears, legs and hands. Use the same color to color its nose also. Now color its dress with red. Color the shoes with black. The eyeballs also with black. Your Peppa Pig is ready.